Hello, Parkway family. This is your instructional support team here. We're going to briefly walk you through how to scan your answer documents.
So you'll come to the library and you'll come to the room that is... Hello, Parkway teachers. I'm going to show you how to scan documents into the Aware system. So you'll come to the library and you'll come to the room that is at the very... You'll come over to the computer and you will click on the plain paper scanner. While that is opening, you can take your documents and place them in the scanner. And it doesn't matter which way the barcodes go. They can either go in the scanner or they can be on the other side. It doesn't matter which way they are turned. The scanner will read them either way. You will not be able to look on the internet or do any other things on this computer at the same time because of the amount of time it takes for it to open. Once it is opened, you will click on the Next button. And it'll pop in up with a username and a password. You will need to put in your username and your password. I believe your password is probably your same one you would use on your email. Click Next. Click Next again. It will ask you which printer you want to use. There's only one listed, so you click OK. At this point in time, it has started scanning. You can hear the scanner moving and feeding in the documents. Now, I pulled some documents purposefully because I wanted to show you some examples of the documents and what they look like, and show you that even though the kids may have written on them or done some other things to them, that it's okay. This document is pretty good. It's got some places on it where the bubbles may not be as dark as they can, or that they may be over into another bubble, but it's not too bad. This one has some bubbles that are very small. That one has a missing bubble down at the bottom where the student did not bubble in the last answer. This student took care of enjoying some empty paper time, not realizing that this was going to be scanned. So, I've scanned 6 pages, and if you can see here, I have 2 that are correctly scanned and 4 that are correctly scanned with warnings, 0 that are unreadable or blank, and 6 total. I need to correct the 4 that are correctly scanned with warnings. So I'll go to my response editor. It opens up. And I want to show only the documents with warning or errors by clicking this box right here. You know there's an error on the document because it has the triangle, the yellow triangle with exclamation point. And whenever I click on the document, when I click on the document, you can see over here on the side there's columns that have a red box in them. That means that that answer did not scan in. So I'm going to come over to my document, look at number 7. The student wanted to have a B in that area. So I'm going to click the drop down, select B, and check for any other errors. Once all the errors are fixed, you will see that there is a green check mark for that paper. And I will do that for each paper. Okay, so this student had some problems with the bubbling. Here, the student chose one answer and then changed their mind. So you have a yellow box where the machine thinks that the student chose B, but you need to go back and double check, which indeed the student did. So you can take and just double click that one very quickly and that yellow will go away. Next one on number 5, the student left that blank, so that red box will remain there. There are no other changes. This does not have a green check mark because there was a blank answer choice left on the document. Let's scroll down to the next one. Here is the student who left that last answer choice blank. Again, there's that red box right there. We'll have to leave that. Our last student, this is the one who wrote on his paper. On number 3, he chose answer B. So I will come over and fix that. Then I will look for more problems. There aren't any. There is a green check mark, so that is done. I will hit close. I will come up to where it has a scanner. I will click next. It is uploaded and now it says it's finished. So everything is done. If I need to scan more documents, I will go to the back button. If I have completed all the documents I want to scan, I will click finish.
And before we go, let's review some scanning tips. Check the documents prior to scanning to ensure students have answered all the questions. This will save you loads of time. Check the sheets for marks in the barcode area. Please erase any stray marks down in that barcode area as the scanner will not read correctly. Also, you may want to count the number of documents you have to scan to ensure that all have scanned through the scanner. And be sure to place the documents face up on the scanner. And if you make a mistake or the count is off, no worries, just rescan your documents. This has been a Parkway Instructional Support Team production for Crowley ISD. Until next time, bye-bye.